Hello Divi theme users, it's Andrew Palmer from Elegant Marketplace and layoutscloud. This is just a quick overview of snippets. It's a hidden gem within layoutscloud, and if you install the Divi Cloud plugin, all you need to do is on every website you use the Divi Cloud plugin, you just go to your Divi Cloud and you click on snippets, and look at that. I've got a load of snippets here, so I know where to go to a link for the child theme maker. I've got links to Divi sticky elements on the Elegant Themes website, hide the cart icon on Divi using WooCommerce, and hide the Divi logo on a particular page, and many others. So in the Facebook groups for Divi, which there are many, the often asked question is, where do you save your CSS snippets? Well, there you are. layoutscloud have the instant solution for you. So go and download it today. And if you sign up to freelancer or agency, you get to add snippets. How good is that?